Hi guys, welcome to a new guitar tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the song Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. We're going to take a look at the beginning of the song where they use a keyboard. We are going to play that on the guitar. To play to the original key, you are going to need a capo on the second fret, but I'm going to show you without the fret if you don't have a fret at home. So take your guitar and let's begin. As you know, in the original one, they are not playing on the guitar, but I'm going to try to imitate the keyboard that they use on the song. And I remind you that if you want to play on the same key, you're going to need a capo on the second fret. I'm going to show you without the capo. So if you have no capo at home, you can still follow the video. Okay, so we start with the first finger on the second fret, 5th string. And we play that tone with the thumb, 5th string. Okay, on the second string, you can use any finger you want. I played with the ring finger. We play the second string open. And we play those two tones at the same time. Okay, as soon as we play it, we put the fingers of the right hand back on the same strings to make a pause. Okay? And then we take the fourth finger on the left hand and we put it on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. And the right hand plays the same strings as before. Doing also as we come to the strings, so that we have a silence. Okay, and then we lift the 4th finger again for playing the 2nd string open. So the first bar sounds like this. Okay, so let's start with the second bar. The melody on the 2nd string, it's the same and with the same finger. But this time we are going to lift the first finger on the left hand because we played the bass on the 6th string. 6th string open. Okay, so when we put together the bass and the melody, sounds like this. Remember to do all those silence, putting the fingers back on the strings. So when I put together the bar 1 and 2, it sounds like this. Let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and... One more time. 1, 2, 3, and... And then we come to the 3rd bar and we take the 3rd finger, ring finger, on the 3rd fret, 6th string. There we have the bass for this part. The melody on the 2nd string is the same as the 1st and 2nd bars. Okay, but now we have the bass there. So the 3rd bar sounds like this. Okay, the rhythm is the same as the 1st and 2nd bar. Okay, so I'm going to put together first, 2nd and 3rd bar. Show you one more time. Let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and... One more time. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, and we come to the last bar. Now we're going to change the melody of the second string, putting the second finger on the second fret on the second string. The bass, the thumb, is the 5th string open. So we play like this, 0, 2, then we lift the finger to play the 2nd and 5th string open. Okay, and then we come with the second finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string this time. There, if you have been playing all the time on the second string with the ring finger, now we're going to change to the middle finger. Or if you prefer to play the second string with the middle finger, now you're going to play with the index finger. Okay, it's better to use different fingers for the different strings. So the bar 4 sounds like this. I'm going to put together bars 3 and 4. One more time. Let's try together. Bars 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, and. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and. Nice. Now I'm going to put together bars 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there we have the whole riff. Okay, and they just keep repeating this on and on. Let's try together. We play it once. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, let's try another time, but this time we're going to repeat it. So we play it twice. 1, 2, 3, and. And repeat. And that was Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to be updated with my new videos, and if you liked this video, just give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook or Twitter, or you can visit my website EasyGuitarTube.com, where you're going to find all my tutorials and their tabs. Thanks for watching.